My dear students, I hope you all are doing very well. See children, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 2, Mac OS X Lion. But before entering into this chapter, I would like to ask one question from you all. See children, just tell me, what is OS? OS full form is Operating System. OS is the specialized software to manage the overall operations of the computer. Without this operating system, computers cannot work. Some of the operating systems are MS-DOS, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS X Lion, etc. Okay children, today's class we are going to learn about Mac OS X Lion. Our first topic is, what is OS X Lion? OS X Lion is an operating system. It is designed by Apple company. It released in 2011. It used in Apple Macintosh computers. What is Macintosh computers? It is one type of computer, personal computer. It is developed by Apple company. This operating system used to run programs, organize our files, browse the web and more. This operating system also introduced new features. This OS X Lion have many different versions. This OS X Lion has the version 10.7. The previous versions are OS X Snow Leopard. That version is 10.6. Previous version Leopard have the version 10.5. Then Tiger 10.4. Then Panther version 10.3. Okay children, did you get what is OS X Lion? Now children, we will move to next topic. New features in OS X Lion. OS X Lion introduced many changes and improvements. Some of the important new features are Launchpad, Mission Control, Full Screen App, Autosave, AirDrop, Multi-Touch Gestures, Improved Accessibility. See children, now we will see the brief notes on these new features. First one is Launchpad. Launchpad is used to open and manage the software easily. Next one is Mission Control. It is used to view all the documents and applications that are open in the different visual desktop. Next one is Full Screen App. It is used to view an application in full screen mode. Next one is Autosave. Autosave is used to save the data automatically. Next one is AirDrop. It is used to send the files to nearby computer using wireless card. Without a wire, we can easily send the data through this AirDrop feature. Next one is Multi-Touch Gestures. It is used with a trackpad. Do you know trackpad? All laptop computers have this trackpad. Instead of mouse, we are using this trackpad to move the insertion point or mouse pointer. This trackpad is used to perform a specific task on the computer. Next one is improve accessibility. This is used on app, voice over app. Using this app, the blind or low vision people can access these computers very easily. Next, last feature is the Mac App Store. This Mac App Store is same as the Play Store in mobiles. Dear children, use of Play Store in mobile? All of you know, Play Store is used to install required app in our device. Is it correct? This Mac OS X Lion has various pre-built apps such as web browser, games, word processing, Safari, iPhoto, Mail, iMovie and FaceTime. These are the apps are available in Mac OS X Lion. If you need additional app, you can use Mac App Stores. Okay children, did you get the features in OS X Lion? Now children, we will move to next topic, the desktop. The opening screen in our computer is known as the desktop. This desktop includes background means wallpaper, then dock and menu bar. Then files, folders, shortcuts are displayed on this desktop area. Did you get? Okay children, now we will see how to open files, folders, apps in Lion OS. First we will see about how to open Finder window. For that, just click the Finder icon on the left side of the dock. Dock where it is, do you know? It is same as the taskbar in Windows operating system. Where is the taskbar? The bottom of the desktop. Same way this dock also. Understand? After opening the Finder window, how to close this? Just click the close button in the top left corner of the Finder window. Then you can easily close the window. Did you get? Now we will see how to open the Launchpad. Just click the Launchpad icon on the dock. The Launchpad will open. Now we can see various apps on it. If you want to open any app, just click on the app. The app will open. Did you get? If you want to close the app, click the app name in the left top corner of the screen. Then select Quit. That time the app is closed. Understand? This is one method to open the app. Another one method is, if app is in the desktop, just double click on the app. Then the app will be opened. Did you get me? When any app is opened, the icon on the dock will have the light under it. We can see light always under the Finder window because of this Finder window is always opened. Understand? Okay children, now we will move to the next topic, full screen app. Most of the apps have full screen mode. These apps have double arrow icon in the top right corner. When we are clicking this icon, the app will zoom to fill the entire screen and the remaining apps will hidden. Understand? Which app is we made as full screen mode, that app only we can see in the screen. Remaining all apps are hidden. If you want to bring this app in normal view, you can press escape key. Then automatically the app will come in normal view. Did you get it? Some of the apps have pre-installed these full screen apps. What are they? iCard, Safari and iPhoto. Then we can use the keyboard shortcut also. Keyboard shortcut is Control Command F. Instead of clicking double arrow, we can use the Control Command F. That time that app will come in full screen mode. Next topic is menu bar. This menu bar is located at the top of the screen. It is always visible. Any app is running in full screen mode, that time we cannot see the menu bar. Remaining times we can see this menu bar. This menu bar contains various options. These options are vary depending on the app. The app name will display the left side of the menu bar. This app contains various options. These options are used to perform various tasks within the app. This menu indicates what are the things we can perform using this app. Understand? Then according to our wish we can perform the various tasks using this menu bar. Did you get me? Okay children. Now we will move to next topic, the Apple icon. This Apple icon is available in the left side of the menu bar. It is used to access our system, preference, recent documents and more. It is also used to shut down or restart our computer. Okay children, we will see the next topic, Spotlight. This Spotlight is same as the switch in the Windows operating system. It is used to find the file or folder or an app. The Spotlight also do the same thing. How to use this Spotlight? Just click the magnifying glass icon in the right side of the menu bar. That time the Spotlight window will appear. Here you have to type the file name or app or folder name. The Spotlight will show a list of results. Then you can easily find the file or folder or an app. Did you get it? Okay children, come to the next topic, multi-touch gestures. This is new word for you. Is it correct? Okay, easy concept only. Listen carefully. This Lion operating system has various multi-touch gestures. This multi-touch gestures we can use with the trackpad or magic mouse trackpad. The various multi-touch gestures are pinches, tap, double tap and sweeps. These are the things we are doing in our mobile itself. Is it? Then see here how we are using this one. First multi-touch gesture is pinch to zoom. It is easy concept only. In your mobile phone, if you want to make any image in smaller size, what you will do? Just keep your thumb and forefinger. Is it correct? Make it is together. The time the image is reduce the size. Same way we can make it as enlarged. How? We can move these fingers apart from it. So we can get the large image. That only here we are saying pinch to zoom. Next gesture is smart zoom. So tap the trackpad twice with two fingers. Or if it is in magic mouse means just double tap the mouse with one finger. That time the app will zoom in. Understand? Next gesture is swipe to navigate, where the web browser has back and forward button. For that purpose, we can swipe to the left or right with two finger or one finger. That is swipe to navigate, move to one place to another. Next one is view launchpad. How to view the launchpad or how to open the launchpad? Just place the thumb and three fingers on trackpad and move together. That time the launchpad will open. Next topic is scrolling. There are two types of scrolling, natural scrolling and traditional scrolling. Traditional scrolling, all of you know, when we are open any file, if it is more than one page, we can see one page only. Next page you want to see means what you will do? Just scroll it. Is it correct? When we are scrolling downward, it will be moved to up. Then we can see the next page. Is it correct? Next one is natural scrolling, just opposite. When we are moving upward, when we are swipe upward, the time the content will be moved to up. Then we can see the next page. This is the natural scrolling. Did you understand? In the traditional scrolling, we are swipe in the downward, but in the natural scrolling, we are swipe in the upward. Is it correct? This natural scrolling is usually work on in the devices iPad and iPhone. Did you get me? We can change the scrolling type. How we can change this scrolling type? For that, just click the Apple icon. Then select the system preference. That one window appear, system preference window appear. Select mouse icon. Then click the natural scrolling checkbox. The time the scrolling type will be changed. Traditional scrolling type is changed into natural scrolling. Understand?